Chetna ma'am,
Yes,
how do you feel?
I feel good, absolutely good.
You have been professing for some time in Muzaffarpur, right? For how long?
Muzaffarpur I have been professing for say 2000 since 2019, 5 years or so.
Okay, okay.
But I have done my professing all my life so far till now.
What has been the biggest challenge for you, college?
Biggest challenge is bridge the gap
Between what?
between technology and non-technology.
Okay.
What I mean to say is that the girls are coming from faraway places, from the villages, from kasbahs, from small localities, and they come with their dreams. They come with their dreams to fulfill, to become something in life. That it's so easy to become something in life. But the real scenario is so difficult because we give them lot of dreams. They come, they get education, they get lot of dreams, they get it in their eyes, they go back, and they go back to the real place where the parents are not educated. They are not enough money to get those gadgets.
So they come to college having big dreams. What stops them? What prevents them from
Prevents
achieving?
them not having the clarity about life.
Do you get to teach only girls?
I get to teach only because it's a women's college.
Okay, women's college. And what do you teach?
I teach history.
History. You know, one of the feedback that Sushant gave you, the words that you use were remarkable. So what is the key?
The key is book reading, sir.
Book reading?
There is no alternative to book reading.
Okay.
The only way you can improve is
And there is no shortchet also.
Huh? There's no shortcut.
reading books is only the for quality development. Please
Reading.
read books.
Chetna ma'am, do you think that listening can also be incorporated along with
Definitely,
reading?
definitely. That is why Toastmasters is important. Because here you sit down and listen to the speeches. You have no option. You just can't shut your ears. You need to listen. If you evaluate a role play, you need to listen.
Hello guys.
Hey, hello.
Yes.
Cool. Are you all there?
We are 14 people with Angel Priya and
One Asian is also here.
Yes, yes,
You
yes.
are living all